G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to make a it's kind of a breakfast dish. This is called a Shakshuka. It's a Middle Eastern dish, but it's just a few ingredients. Now you can see I've got a can of diced tomatoes, I've got a couple of eggs, onion, a couple of cloves of garlic, I've got a capsicum there, which is a bell pepper, I've got a longhorn good old sweet chili there, I've got some sweet paprika and some cumin. Now I'm just going to roughly cut this onion up here. It's doesn't have to be perfect, just give it a bit of a chop. I'm going to do the same with the bell pepper. Just cut it up the same, keep them uniform there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same with the longhorn here. These are great chilies, these very sweet. So keep them all uniform. Here I am slicing some garlic up. You can do this into a paste if you want. Now in a frying pan we're going to throw in some extra virgin olive oil, and that's an absolute must. Now I'm just going to saute these vegetables here, the onion, the capsicum and the longhorns. It doesn't matter if you get a bit of colour on them, it adds to the flavour, the caramelisation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my spices, which is a teaspoon of cumin powder or cumin powder, and about a tablespoon of sweet paprika. You can use smoked paprika if you want. Now I'm going to go in with the crushed tomatoes here, and you can use whole peeled tomatoes and just squash them with your hands if you want. A lot of people prefer to do that. So I'm going to cook this for a while, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack some eggs in here. So the 2 eggs that I've got, I'm going to crack them in there. And you can put maybe another couple of eggs, depends how much people you're feeding. 2 eggs is enough for me. And going to put a bit of garnish there, or a bit of greenery, a bit of parsley there. As you can see, you can cook these eggs for 3 to 4 minutes. Depends how much you want your yolk. If you want it running soft or hard, it's up to you. And put a bit of cheese, covered it, and there you have it. This is a Middle Eastern Shakshuka dish. It's a very simple dish to make. Not many ingredients. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you later.